I met so many fantastic people when I was in Munich. I met great friends. I met great mentors, coaches, and colleagues. And most importantly, the person who become my husband, a very tall, dark, and handsome man. Sam just was a huge inspiration for me because he was very career-driven. He was super encouraging. So this is what I did. I applied for several jobs as a French and English teacher and I got into several big German language schools. So I started teaching in person and online, and I developed my experience there. I was getting the recognition that I was not getting in the opera business. It's a tough world. And in the language schools where I was working, they saw how hardworking and committed I was. Through all the assignments that I was given, I developed my own methodology. So as an expat myself, I knew what I needed in order to get by. Language hacks that I needed in order to survive in my German environments. And I also used my background as an opera singer by proposing pronunciation tips. And with this experience, I thought I don't really need to work for a language school anymore. I could start my own and create my own and propose my own methodology because it really works very well. Sam and I moved to Switzerland in November 2014. I'm thinking, okay, I have so much time on my hand. I don't really know what I want to do. Should I develop this company? What should I do? And this is what I decided to do. I pushed forward to develop that company. I decided to call it Prêt, Parler. Because what do you really need when you move to a new country? You need the language. If you don't speak the language, you can't really integrate yourself. You feel stuck. You feel you cannot really relate with other people. Everyday situations are really hard. So I developed Prêt, Parler in January 2015. This is when I started alone, running here and there in Geneva. And then in 2017, I decided that I would go fully online. There's a very specific reason for that. So I was pregnant with my first child, my son Arthur, and I just couldn't get from A to B. It was just too much. So I suggested to my clients, how about we switch to online? Let's do the lesson on Zoom. And this is when I reformatted again my methodology. So that was in 2017, a long time before COVID happened. So I was trying every single thing. I tried other softwares as well. I combined it with it. And this ended up being what we do now at Prêt, Parler. So this is when I took some extra teachers, which I trained exactly in the same way as I would be teaching with my students. So Prêt, Parler really is a little family. When you study with us, we really take good care of you. The way we work together is really efficient, and I am just so happy and proud of what Prêt, Parler is right now. It's a team effort, and Prêt, Parler would never be the way it is right now without their amazing work. Because as Anna Wintour said, you are nothing without a great team, and that is so true. My team is amazing. Thank you, Prêt, Parler team.